Meditation by different yogis. Meditation means thoughtless mind. Meditation means thoughtless mind. ఆలోచన లేని మనసే ధ్యానం. ఆలోచన లేని మనసే ధ్యానం. Meditation means thoughtless mind, also called the state of samadhi or bliss. According to Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, Atma Samyana Yoga or Dhyana Yoga, Bhagavan Krishna says, 6th sloka, Bandhuratma nastasye yenatmaivatmana jitaham anatmanastu shatrutve వర్తే తాత్మైవ శత్రువత్. ఎవడు తన మనసును తాను జయించునో అట్టి మనసు తనకు బంధువగును, జయింపనిచో ఆ మనసు శత్రువుగా నుండును. హూ ఎవర్ కంకర్స్ హిజ్ మైండ్, ద మైండ్ బికమ్స్ హిజ్ కిన్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ డస్ నాట్ కంకర్, దట్ మైండ్ విల్ బికమ్ హిజ్ ఎనిమీ. మైండ్ ఈజ్ హెల్డ్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫార్ ఎవరీ యాక్షన్. We can control our mind through meditation. Bhagavan Krishna also says in the same chapter, 10th sloka, yogi yunjita satatam atmanam rahasi sitaha ekaki yata chitatma nirasira parigraha. Yogi will sit alone in the lonely place, that is good environment, having the mastered the mind, the body and the senses. He is selfless, not seeking anything from others. Always establishes his mind in the self. Always kept his mind on the supreme soul. యోగి ఏకాంత ప్రదేశమున ఒంటరిగా నున్నవాడై మనస్సును దేహేంద్రియములను స్వాధీనమునర్చుకొని ఆశ లేనివాడై పరుల నుండి ఏమియూ స్వీకరింపక ఎల్లప్పుడూ తన మనసును ఆత్మయందే నెలకొల్పుచుండును. When sitting in the meditation, the body, neck and face should be straight. Crossed leg is better for meditation because it is easy for Kundalini energy or Kundalini Shakti to flow from Mooladhara chakra, base of the spine, to crown chakra or Sahasrara, wisdom center, through Sushumna Nadi or central channel. Meditators need to take sattvic food, such as easy digestible food. When your motion in the toilet is free, your food is good. When motion is difficult, your food is not good. So, moderate and sattvic food is good for meditators. Food will play a vital role in our lives. It will provide energy to us. If energy is zero, we are dead. So we need to take food before energy becomes zero. Observe the motion of animals, cow or buffalo and bird. They do have free motion and their dung will not get a bad smell. And further, we are using them for fertilizers because they are following nature perfectly. But unfortunately, some of the humans are not following nature perfectly. According to Buddha Bhagavan, meditation means cultivate mindfulness, to still mind, self-awareness, self-realization. Desires are held responsible for many problems. So relinquish all bad desires. Do meditation on the middle path, which means avoid extremes. Buddha Bhagavan also stated that human body is a carrier to carry you to the destination, that is enlightenment. So keep your body healthy by eating healthy food, that is moderate and sattvic food. According to Sri Sri Veera Brahmendra Swami, while you are in the meditation, the vision should be in between eyebrows or in the wisdom center. Swami also calls people to please come to catch the snake. Kundalini energy in the form of snake, which is existed in the body. If you are able to awaken the Kundalini Shakti or Kundalini energy, you will become bliss or wisdom. You can see the pure light or God in your mind. This is possible only by doing rigorous meditation. According to Bhagavan Ramana Maharshi, find out who am I. ನಾನು ಯಾರು, నేను ఎవరు. I am a body or something. Maharshi also stated that be silent, which means the mind should be silent, no thoughts at all. Be in the nature. Please remove the self-ego of human beings, those who are actors. అరుణాచల శివ, అరుణాచల శివ. అరుణాచలమనుచు స్మరింపు వారి అహము నిర్మూలింపుము అరుణాచల. అరుణాచల శివ, అరుణాచలమనుచు స్మరింపు వారి అహము నిర్మూలింపుము అరుణాచల శివ. ఓ అరుణాచల శివ. The self-ego is root cause for all problems. If ego vanishes, I vanish and becomes wisdom, bliss, Parabrahma. This is possible only by doing meditation. That is deep inhale and exhale. According to Yoga Vemana, find out where you come from and where you are going. ఎక్కడి నుండి వచ్చితివో ఎక్కడికి పోదువో కనుక్కోండి. He who knows himself is Brahman or Param Ishwar. తనను తాను ఎరిగిన వాడే పరబ్రహ్మ. How can there be a ritual without purification of the soul? And why worship of Shiva or God without pure mind? So purify your mind by doing meditation with great effort. Observe the difference between physics principles and meditation, that is spiritual. Those who are meditating, the Kundalini energy or Kundalini Shakti can move upward through the Sushumna Nadi or central channel from Mooladhara chakra to crown chakra. As in the case of physics laws, energy moves downward. That is, heat flows from hot temperature to cooler, current flows from higher potential to lower, and water flows from high altitude to down. Water flows freely from high altitude to down without effort. As in the case of Kundalini energy, to move upward, you need an effort. That you have to bring enormous thoughts down to zero. Once thoughts become zero in your mind, you are in the Samadhi state or bliss state. Therefore, my dear friends, do meditation from 4 a.m., which is called as Brahma Muhurtam, at least for 45 minutes to 1 hour a day. Then you can see miracles. Thank you very much. If you like, subscribe to gain knowledge. Thank you very much.